Today is Sunday, so I slept a bit more than usual and woke up at 9 o'clock. Since I am going to run later on, I am changing into my active wear. It is a combination of Nike and Adidas. Then I will go to the bathroom. I start with cleansing my face with micellar water of a Japanese brand. Then I brush my teeth. Afterwards I am rinsing my face. I am using different creams, but today I am using Sweet Soft, and this brand is actually meant for babies. But yeah, it provides a baby smooth skin, so it works. Time to comb my hair. I am making ponytail because I will go run later on. Since I need to see clearly, I am putting my lenses on. Don't worry, I will spare you the details of my eyeball. Time to make breakfast in the kitchen. I am going for an oatmeal with soya milk. I always add some fruits. Today I am adding apple. I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. After the heating is done, I am adding some nuts. I will always start with a cup of fresh brewed coffee. I am a slow eater, so I am preparing some things before I film my YouTube videos in the meantime. Oh yeah, and that is my little sister that you see right now. Today I am going to film 5 YouTube videos, so I am thinking about the titles, doing my keyword research and writing a transcript. I won't put every single word that I say in my videos in the transcripts, but I like to have some structure in the videos. Okay, it is time to go running, and what I will do is starting with 5 minutes of warming up. Then I will run for 3 times 10 minutes and with 1 minute of rest, and then I will slow down and walk my way home. Yes, excited to go running because it is quite good weather. So time to get some fresh air. Okay, I finished the workout. It was really good because yeah, sometimes you just need fresh air, and it's good that the Netherlands is partly under lockdown, so we still have the freedom to go to the parks, but yeah, you need to keep distance anyways. There were quite some people in the parks, but I ran at the places where there weren't much people, but I really enjoyed the workout. Gonna take a shower and get to work. Always wash your hands with disinfected soap when you return home. Okay, now I am going to get ready, put some makeup on, and while I am doing that, I am going to listen to a podcast and also enjoy my ginger chai tea. I think networking is really important, so after I finished my makeup, I already had a call scheduled with someone in the same field of social media and online marketing, so we were exchanging some of our views and ideas. Then I was preparing my emails that I will send out on Monday. Time to record the videos. Okay guys, I just finished filming 5 videos. I did one video about 10 tips to stay productive during quarantine, working from home, and I filmed another one from Myanmar, how to apply for a Myanmar visa while in Bangkok, and another one when I was about to cross the border from Thailand to Myanmar. Another one that is an announcement that I signed, that I registered myself at the Chamber of Commerce in the Netherlands. And another one I forgot. And the other one is about reverse culture shock. Okay, I'm glad that these 5 videos has been filmed, and I have to edit. Yes, today it was a bit of mailing and calling, filming. I think the rest of the night I'm going to do editing, and I think that I will do a little bit of my homework that my business coach gave me, and I'm working on the online course of her, which is about personal development, but also about business strategy. So let's see what the night will bring. Yeah, I need to finish at least 2 videos because I want to edit a little bit upfront. Next week I'm going to start with a new project that I am going to do for a company, so it's going to get really busy, and I just want to prepare more content for my own channel. And yeah, staying productive is the most important thing. First, I am going to have dinner with my family members. I finished editing and doing my homework, and now I will wash this face off, yeah, brush my teeth, and then I will go to sleep. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching what a day in my life looks like right now in quarantine. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.